Artificial intelligence has been the word on everyone's lips for just over 2 years now. And we are being told that if we as professionals and businesses don't adapt to this new reality, we're all going to be out of jobs. Whilst I can't say for sure if this is true, what I can tell you is that ChatGPT saves content creators like me hours, days, and possibly collectively years of time. This is why at Salesforce Ben, we are adapting to the new realities of the market, and we'll be providing you with 100% AI-generated content going forward. Whilst I'm going to miss creating well-thought-out, researched, and thought-provoking articles, I'm convinced that 100% AI-generated content is the way to go. I mean, all I need to do is tell it to create a great article and boom, 4 hours saved, and the perfect article is created about any Salesforce topic I can imagine. Whilst we've always sought to foster a great culture amongst our employees at Salesforce Ben, we're taking the next natural shape in this AI evolution, moving towards a place where automation fully takes over, giving humans a break. We're calling this movement Fully Optimized Organic Leisure, or FOOL, allowing our employees to leave the 9-to-5 rat race and pursue more meaningful projects with their time at the company. Projects like art, music, creative writing, and video production, none of which could ever be replaced by AI. We are super excited about our quest for greatness, so here is a sneak peek of what you can expect. Going forward, and to keep things spicy, our expert authors will be replaced by historical figures. Ever wondered how Albert Einstein felt about the apex versus flow debate? Or how Nikola Tesla might architect a multi-org implementation? You'll find out very soon. Our architectural diagrams and infographics going forward are going to be a lot more fun, but there will be an adjustment period as you move away from boring, rigid process diagrams to something which is left up a bit more to interpretation. This is the way the world is going, so please get used to it. If there was one positive to take away from the pandemic a few years ago, it was all the virtual socializing we were able to do. Who needs expensive flights, in-person events, and human connection when we could all hang out in the metaverse? This is why we'll be transitioning our parties and events to a VR model. The bad news is that you'll still need to attend virtually. We hope to bring you agent-first parties very soon, where you can send your agent to hang out with our agent. We're excited to bring Salesforce Ben into the 22nd century, and we hope that our FOOL initiative does well this April. Any questions, concerns, thoughts, or feedback, please direct them to our agent.